Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. It's getting to be spring out, it's getting warmer out, trees are blooming, buds, flowers are coming up, everything. What's the first thing you think of? Me? It's cookouts. What more do I love than a good cookout? It's me, the bear, cooking out, loving it. One of my other favorite things is Coney sauce. Put Coney sauce in them hot dogs, a little bit of mustard. Awesome. Grill them hot dogs up. That's pinnacle for me. I like a good burger, but a good hot dog with some really good Coney sauce, that's the ticket. So I'm going to show you all today how I make my Coney sauce. I think it's the best in the world. Leave it up to you. So, think it's interesting? Let's get to cooking. Alright y'all, first step you want to do is take about 2 pounds of ground beef. I break mine up a little bit, want to brown it. And then while we're browning it, you want to add about 1 small onion chopped up, maybe half a cup. I ain't sure, how much onion you like, but that's what I do. So let's get this browned up and we'll bring you back for the rest of it. Alright y'all, let's check on this burger here. Oh, it's browning up nicely. Just need to get her broke up. I like mine real fine. I don't like real big chunks in my Coney sauce, so alright, I'm going to continue breaking this up, get it nice and fine, and cooking a little bit more, and then get this done. We'll bring you back and move on to the next step. Alright y'all, got the hamburger all browned up. Now the next step, you can do it one of two ways. You can do it right here in the pan, or I prefer doing it into a crock pot. So we're going to take this, I'm going to transfer all this stuff, all this goodness, into this crock pot over here. I just find it's a lot easier to do it this way than to do it on the stove top. And if you don't have one of these little small crock pots, you can use a big one, or like I said, you can do it right here in the frying pan, into another pot, however you want to do it. So, alright y'all, first ingredient I guess you want, some ketchup, and we want 1.5 cups of ketchup. That'll be our base. That'll be our base. There's 1/2 cup. There's 1 cup. Uh-oh. We're going to get another 1/2 cup. It's going to be close, y'all. Oh yeah, there we go. Perfect. We'll just give her another little shot, just to kind of use up that bottle. So, okay, after that, our next ingredient is going to be a 1/4 cup of white sugar. So, I know that sounds like a whole bunch, but whole lot of meat, you know. So, alright, got our 1/4 cup of sugar. Don't worry about them clumps. They'll be alright. Now our next ingredient is a 1/4 cup of white vinegar. I know it sounds odd, but it's good stuff, so trust me. And you can cut down a little bit if you want, but this is what gives it its unique flavor. It's a really good flavor, if you ask me. But okay, we got our vinegar, and now we need a 1/4 cup of prepared yellow mustard. This is like all the goodies, you know, you always put on your hot dog. So alright. Alright, there's that. And then we need 3/4 of a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, or as I was corrected in one of my videos, it's Worcestershire sauce. But you know, it is what it is. So, all right, let me find my Worcestershire sauce here, and we'll bring y'all back in just a minute. All right, y'all. I had to open a brand new bottle. That's why I couldn't find it in the normal spot. So, all right. There's my 3/4 of a teaspoon, 3/4 of a tablespoon of. I'm sorry, that was 3/4 of a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Now we need. I'm trying to read this off a piece of paper here. 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. I'm using pink Himalayan salt. So let's see if we can. See if I can get this thing opened up here. I can get a scoop out. Alright. There's our salt. We need a 1/2 teaspoon of celery salt, or celery seed. And black pepper, which I don't have any on hand right here in the kitchen. Alright, stuff must be still up in the cupboard. Let me grab that and we'll bring you back again. Sorry about that. Alright, y'all, I got that pepper now. Alright, there. Now, just take a spoon, spatula, whatever you got. Get this all mixed up. Now, like I said, this first time I ever made this, the ingredients didn't sound like any kind of Coney sauce I'd ever had. But trust me, this makes some of the best, next to my mom's, that I've ever had in my life. So, alright. Alright, I need to take a little taste of this just to make sure it's edible. Oh, that is delicious. So, alright, now, sorry about that. Now the key to this is put it on low in the crock pot for about 4 hours. Just let this stuff cook and cook and cook, and You know, like I said, you can do it on the stove top in a pan. You just got to make sure you continuously stir it. I find it's a lot easier just to do it in the crock pot. Let it sit there and simmer. All them flavors get mixed together. That burger gets a lot more tender and kind of falls apart even more. And it just, oh, it gets to be so good. So let me get that going. And when she's done, we'll bring you all back. Alright, y'all. Our Coney sauce has been cooking for a while here. And what I like to do is I like to take my, you know, classic jumbo franks, and we're just going to stick them down in there. We're going to stick every single one of them down in there. We're going to slap the lid back on there. We're going to cook it for about another half an hour. Let them dogs warm up, and it'll actually give a little flavor of that Coney sauce into them dogs. So we're going to be ready to eat here in just shortly. Alright, y'all. These dogs been cooking away here for a little while. So we're going to dig a couple of them out. Throw them on our bun here. Now, I much prefer to have them on the grill, but, you know, we ain't in the grilling mood yet. So, take a little bit of that Coney sauce. Look at that. I know y'all's mouth's watering. It's getting to be that time of year. All cookouts and everything are going to be starting. And this is an awesome, awesome dish to take to a cookout. So, look at that. Yeah, awesomeness. So, give me a little mustard on there, because I like a little mustard on my dogs. And we'll have a little taste test. Alright, y'all. It's time for the taste test of that Coney dog there. You know, yum 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 yum. Ah, you know. A little bit warm. Ooh, that's good. I gotta have another bite. That's really good. And to wash her down, got a little brown mood juice. That's really good too. Alright. Get my face all cleaned off there. Alright, y'all. There you have it. The Bear's Coney sauce. Hope you like it. Hope you're going to try it. You know, it's easy to make. Make it up in that crock pot. You can take it to your family reunions, take it to your friend's house, cookouts, whatever. Whatever's got going on. Or even at home. You know, if you're busy, throw the hot dogs in there like I did. Cook them suckers up with it. Makes an awesome meal. So, appreciate you all watching. Please, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We're getting close to that 3,000 mark. You know, we're still a little under 300 away from it, but we're getting closer. Appreciate y'all. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And leave me a comment if you do try this. You know, let me know. Appreciate it. So, love y'all. And as always, bon appetit.